Well, Yatin, markets are snapping an 8-day rally and bulls are cooling their heels. Given the fact that global cues are also not supportive, we saw the Dow and S&P 500 snapping its gains ahead of the all-important jobs report that's due later today. But what's important is the fact that the broader markets are holding strong.
Right.
Right. When you talk about sectors, autos are under pressure after the November sales data failed to enthuse the markets. IT pack is also under pressure after the gains that we saw yesterday. What are the other sectors that are moving in trade today, and which are the top gainers on the Nifty?
See, as you said, we are probably snapping the 8-day gain, but probably the markets are taking a breather, and probably just before a big move, we usually see markets consolidate. As far as advance decline ratio is concerned, it's almost 12:8. So the market breadth is good despite the Nifty being down more than 150 points. Obviously, as you said, the auto stocks are under pressure, be it Maruti, Eicher Motors. These stocks are putting pressure on the Nifty. As far as other Nifty stocks are concerned, we have Mahindra and Mahindra, SBI Life, which are slightly under pressure. But look at the flip side. We have Tata Steel, Tech Mahindra, Apollo Hospitals, all of these stocks up anywhere between 1–1.5%. And broadly, if you look at the banking stocks, they are also slightly weak in trade. So overall, if you look at the large caps, they are slightly under pressure or profit taking mode, but the broader market continues to remain quite strong.
Right. Yatin, talking about some of these counters like PB Fintech and Paytm, they are fairly buoyant in today's session. Reportedly, SoftBank has sold a 5% stake in PB Fintech, and Paytm has also assured that they are on the path to profitability. What are the other mid caps that are kind of gaining in today's session?
So, as you rightly mentioned, there was a large trade on PB Fintech. SoftBank likely to have sold their 5% stake. It was in the block window, so probably you can expect that the fund action was quite strong. In fact, if you look at most of the transactions which have happened, be it in Paytm, be it in PB Fintech, be it in Zomato, the institutional appetite is still there because all of these tech stocks or the new age stocks have corrected quite a bit, and at these valuations they are finding some comfort. So watch out for that pack. As far as Nifty 500 stocks are concerned, Raymond is up 16% today, and we had the management speaking to the media talking about their real estate plans and the core business, how it is expected to recover. As far as other stocks are concerned, BHEL is quite active in the F&O space. We have MTAR Technologies, which is up 7.5%. On the other hand, we have Tejas Networks, Adani Transmission, Ease My Trip, all of these stocks down anywhere between 2–2.5%. But look at the 52-week high list today; it's quite vibrant. We have BHEL, Varun Beverages, Apollo Hospitals, L&T Finance, AB Capital, Exide, all of these stocks in the green and hitting a fresh 52-week high. Among the PSU names, we have Power Finance Corporation, Bank of Baroda, HAL also hitting fresh 52-week high. So really, if you look at the momentum, it's still with the PSU stocks and the select mid-cap names, and obviously a whole host of those stocks which are hitting 52-week highs.
Right. As you mentioned, PSU stocks are doing well. PSU banks were also not doing that badly today, even though markets are down somewhere around 1% or so. But given the fact that most experts had said that it's a buy on dip market, do you expect more buying to come in now that markets have fallen after an 8-day rally?
So obviously, it also depends on the global market scenario. Right now, it seems that the way Federal Reserve is acting and probably talking about slower pace of rate hikes, probably that will fuel the market rally. Obviously, we also have the budget around the corner as far as India is concerned. So I don't think so market is in a hurry either to give a big move on the upside or a big move on the downside. Probably from here on, as I mentioned 1 or 2 days back, mid caps are making comeback, and probably that index is yet to catch up. So probably you can expect some good rally in the mid cap space.
Right, and on a weekly basis, looks like we are poised to end the week on a positive note. Well, with that, it's a wrap on this midday market check. But do stay tuned, because coming up after the market close is Bazaar Gupshup with Yatin, and of course Markets Weekly with Karunya Rai. So stay tuned.